Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Specify the question, time window, and inclusion criteria so the AI has a precise target. Then gather a seed set of 50-200 high-quality papers and extract keywords and phrases. Choose complementary AI tools, one for semantic search, one for summarization, and a reference manager for citations. Once done, set file organization and naming conventions so the pipeline runs smoothly. This reduces noise and keeps results reproducible as you move into synthesis. You now synthesize. Feed the seed set into clustering and topic modeling to reveal themes and gaps, and ask the AI to propose hierarchical outlines. Generate annotated summaries for each cluster and extract methods, metrics, and open questions. This creates a map for your review. Make sure to iteratively refine prompts to reduce hallucinations and have the AI cite the source ID. Once you see discrepancies, directly compare claims to original PDFs so your narrative stays accurate and evidence-based. You finish by producing the full draft. Ask the AI to write sections using your outline, then craft transitions that highlight contribution and limitations. Create figures and summary tables automatically and export a consistent reference list for your target journal. Make sure to perform a final verification sweep. Check every quoted result, percentage, and methodological claim against original sources. If AI output conflicts or invents details, stop. Rerun targeted prompts and extract the exact supporting text from the primary papers to correct errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.